Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia 5 Mark IV, and today I will show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, let's navigate into our toggles. So just swipe down on your home screen, swipe down once more, and this will give you a broader view of all the toggles that we have access to, and hopefully on one of the pages, which it looks like on the first page, you'll see Do Not Disturb. And for me it's right over here. Now if you don't see it on the first page, just swipe to the side and you will have more toggles. And again, if you don't see it here, you can tap on this pencil and just simply add it if it's turned off for some reason. But once you have the toggle visible right here, you can either tap on it to turn it on with whatever the settings of it are set to by default, or you can hold it and this will take you to the settings where you can actually customize it and also check out what it is set to. So quickly going over the more important toggles or settings, we have people. This will allow you to select who can call you or message you. Apps just allows you to select what kind of apps will bypass this mode. Below that we have schedule, which allows you to set up an automatic schedule. Two of them are already pre-made. We have event and sleep, and you can edit them if you want to, or you can create your own new ones. And if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure that it is toggled on right here. And that's all you will do. From that point on, the device will turn it on and off, the Do Not Disturb mode, at the selected day of the week and time. And also going down here, we also have duration for quick settings and display option for hidden notifications. So just how notifications are displayed, and this option defines what happens when you press on this toggle right here. Now, if you're the type of person that tends to forget to turn off things once you turn them on, I would recommend selecting this option and changing it to, for instance, a timed one, and then adding more hours, like for instance 6 hours. I think 6 hours seems to be reasonable to get over whatever you were doing that you needed your Do Not Disturb mode for. And when you forget about it, after 6 hours, the phone will automatically turn it off for you. Now, once you set this one up, it will always turn on for the exact 6 hours that you choose right now. But if you select the other option, ask every time, it will bring up this window every time you actually press on the toggle and give you the option to actually add more or subtract hours from this timer, or also turn it on until you turn it off. Now, I do recommend for people that tend to forget to select this one. And once it's all set up, simply find the toggle, tap on it, and that's it, it's running. Now, because it is set on a timer right now, it's telling me also what time it's going to turn off, so that's pretty nice. Now, for everybody else who's using this on a schedule based, you don't need to do anything extra. Once you check the toggle on in the schedule mode, that's it. The phone will then turn it on and off for you, and you don't have to worry about anything. Now, for people that turn it on manually without the timer, once you're done with it, you can turn it off by just simply tapping on it once more. So, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.